Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Bayu Nugroho, NIM 211240001153, kelas DB Teknik Informatika of Unisnu Jepara. In this video, I will present my assignment about the summary of journal A Real-Time Alert System for Prayers at Smart Masjid. The author Tanwir Alam and Maud Erksos from Scientific Journal of Informatics Volume 7, Number 2, November 2020. The purpose of making this video is to complete the final exam assignment for semester 2. Okay, straight to the PowerPoint. Title: The Real-Time Alert System for Prayers at Smart Masjid. Authors Tanwir Alam and Maud Erksos from Scientific Journal of Informatics, Volume 7, Number 2, November 2020. Abstract summary. Smart Masjid with embedded technologies is the key factor for the prayers to correctly pray without having mistake. The technologies inside or outside the mosque might be greatly helpful for the prayers, arrange and monitor people in a crowded environment inside mosque is a critical task. He proposing a technique for monitoring and estimating the density of the crowd in real time using infrared technology. The intelligent system will be designed based on the number of people section-wise. The mosque will be divided into sections, and each section will be allocated an infrared camera. As a section is filled, the display will turn red. This way, people could see the section from quite a distance and can easily decide whether to move forward or not. As soon as the people enter the mosque, they will have an overview of each section and can decide to go to suitable place to get settled easily into the rows. Introduction. The objective of the research. Use the limit the density of people and create an even distribution of people in the mosque so that the prayers is comfortable. The problem of the research. It is quite clear that the world Muslim population is increasing at a dramatic rate. The increase in the Muslim around the world means the increase in the number of pilgrims coming to the Holy Lands of Mecca and Madinah every year. Several problems are faced by pilgrims due to the overcrowding of people in the mosque at the time of Hajj and Umrah in Saudi Arabia. We have focused on the problem of filling gaps inside masjid to deliver an even distribution of people inside the mosque. This study mainly focused on limiting the overcrowding of the people in rows during prayers at masjid and could be implemented anywhere else. Because of the hug area of the mosque, it becomes very difficult for the people whether to go further to the next row or not. In most cases, people just don't care and step forward towards the front, resulting in overcrowding and hence inconvenience to the people. We are proposing the novel system that could be used to limit the overcrowding of the people and create an even distribution of people inside the mosque. Method of research. A. Working of the infrared camera. Most infrared security system will be able to capture clear image during the day, which is exactly what we want. The overall effectiveness of a camera is measured if you are not also fully protected, and next time security is vital to have because criminals will often choose to act under the cover of darkness. Therefore, infrared CCTV is a great all-round surveillance choice. It gets good picture coverage no matter the time of day or night. As CCTV becomes more commonly used, the system becomes more sophisticated. Infrared CCTV, for example, is now an affordable way of protecting a low-light area. Infrared closed-circuit television cameras make this a reality, effectively monitoring the darkness for your surveillance system. This technology has been used for the surveillance purpose so far, but here we are using it for a whole new concept. B. Thermal imaging. The process used by infrared CCTV cameras for night vision is known as thermal imaging. People and objects constantly emit a level of heat referred to as thermal energy. Thermal energy resides in the electromagnetic spectrum. In turn, occupies the top of the infrared light spectrum. Thermal energy is invisible to the naked eye because it is emitted from a source and opposite to being reflected by light. Infrared CCTV cameras use thermal imaging to capture various levels of thermal energy and convert it to a light-based image that is visible to the human eye. This process of revealing the invisible occurs over several steps. Number 1. Infrared lens. The specially designed lens of an infrared camera is used to focus the level of invisible infrared radiation within its view. 2. Thermogram. Infrared detectors review the radiation focused by the lens and process to create a temperature map known as a thermogram. The completed thermogram is then translated into a series of electric impulses. 3. Signal processing. Once converted into electric impulses, the thermogram is sent to a chip on the camera or server known as the signal processing unit. This unit rebuilds the electric impulses and usable data. 4. Display. Once translated, the user data is sent to the display where it appears as a graphic rendition of the contrasting heat emission that were originally captured. This image exists in the visible spectrum, allowing the human eye to see the subject via its thermal energy. Data collection. Step 1. Read the image. Step 2. Convert the image to grayscale. Step 3. Threshold the image. Step 4. Complement the image. Step 5. Find the boundaries of the objects. Technique of analysis data. Step 1. Find the total number of persons from algorithm 1 psi n. Step 2. If n under max, goes to step 3, otherwise go to step 4. Step 3. Green light will on and red light will off. Step 4. Red light will on and green light will off. Finding and discussion. The mosque will be divided into sections, and each section will be allocated an infrared camera. Each section will be programmed to contain a limited number of people. There will be an LED display located to each section. With the people coming in that section, the display will start become less green. In other words, the intensity of green LED display will become weaker. As the section is filled, the display will turn red. This way, from could see the section from quiet distance and can easily decide whether to move forward or not. As soon as the people enter the mosque, they will have an overview of each section and can decide to go to suitable place to get settled easily into the rows. Conclusion: this study aimed to find the solution to the space finding problem in the masjid and continuous improvement of the ongoing research on smart masjid. The algorithm is implemented that reads the thermogram, which is captured by an infrared camera. Based on the input data, the output algorithm notifies whether there is any space left inside the section or not using an LED display. The prayers will know the available space inside the masjid using the lighting system. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.